As part of my summer internship program, I have interned with Invesco India Private Limited as a business analyst. I have worked under compliance surveillance as a Power BI and automation expert. IMT has really helped me crack this interview, especially the workshops that it has conducted in programming and Power BI in people analytics. The Python programming has laid the foundation to understand how MBA students can leverage programming, and also the people analytics workshop has helped me understand various visualization tools that we use to represent data.
So I have done my internship in Bulgaria, and after that I got a pre-placement opportunity from them. I used to help them to preliminarily underwrite their whole deal and provide the borrowers with different loan options. So my selection process at Bulgaria, starting with aptitude round, one English testing knowledge round by British Council. After that it had two rounds, one with HR and technical, and the last round completely mixed of technical.
I was recently been selected as an operations intern with Telangana State Road Transport Corporation, commonly known as TSRDC. The entire process sailed smoothly as IMT Hyderabad prepared me with all the necessary skills required to ace the interview. The role which I was interning in was with the Chief Mechanical Engineering Department, which mainly focused on optimizing bus operations performance through maintenance and breakdown management analysis.
My journey led to a remarkable summer internship program with Aditya Birla Fashion and Retail, where I worked as a fashion advisor intern. With their guidance, I successfully navigated through internship process. In my internship, I learned about team building skills, detailed information about fashion, apparel, everything from knowing customer needs and wants, evaluating their choices, assisting them in their purchase decisions, and most importantly, post-evaluation factors. In conclusion, my internship journey has been an incredible opportunity and a journey of self-discovery.
Recently, I have completed my internship at RBI as a banking and finance intern, during which I did a research report on study on the increasing usage of cash in digital era.
I did my internship with PVH Arvind, who owns Calvin Klein and Tommy Hilfiger in India. For initial 1 month, I was working on a role of a CRO, where I was responsible for store operations and attending the customers. And for another 2 months, I got an opportunity to work with operations and training and development team, where I was responsible for optimizing the operations by making the Pan-India team learn about the process of ERP and also the proper use of a warehousing system.
Thanks to an opportunity by the Placement Committee and the Corporate Relations Office, I managed to secure an internship at Advanced Auto Parts India as a financial planning and analysis intern.
I did my summer internship as a marketing intern in DHL Express in the field of search engine optimization and social media strategy, and my experience was filled with fun and knowledge.
IMT Hyderabad gave me an exceptional opportunity to intern at Reliance Retail, India's biggest retail company, as a marketing intern in strategy and planning department. From the aptitude test and the group discussion round to the personal interview, the process tested my business acumen on different fronts, but with the exceptional pedagogy, practitioner session, and leadership talks with industry stalwarts, IMT prepared me to successfully navigate through this recruitment process.
I'm really thankful for IMT for providing me with this opportunity.
I would like to thank the Institute and Placement Committee for providing me with the best opportunities and giving me the exposure which helped me in learning the intricacies of the public transportation system and in making informed choices about my career.
I would like to thank IMT Hyderabad for giving me such immense knowledge and skills to thrive in this corporate world.
I thank IMT Hyderabad for giving me this wonderful opportunity to work with RBI.
I would like to thank IMT Hyderabad for this holistic experience opportunity to me. Thank you.
I express my sincere gratitude to the college for this opportunity.
Thanks to IMT Hyderabad, robust education system, insightful, valuable lessons that was taught to us, and vast network connections that helped me get an internship at such a prestigious company.
I would like to thank IMT Hyderabad for offering me this remarkable learning experience and for equipping me with the knowledge and the right skills essential to thrive in this competitive corporate landscape.